In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal account login in this comprehensive 2025 tutorial. Let's dive into it so you can quickly regain access to your PayPal account in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to PayPal's official website. You can simply type in PayPal in the search bar or go directly to paypal.com, which is the homepage for PayPal's mobile wallet and much more. Once you're there, allow the page to fully load so you can see all your options clearly. Now, as you gaze upon the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll spot the login button. This is your gateway to accessing your account, so go ahead and click on that button. Clicking the login button takes you to the login page where you will need to provide your email or username and your password. But what happens if you've forgotten which email you used for your account? Don't worry, there's a straightforward solution for that. If you're unsure of the email associated with your PayPal account, there's a handy feature you can use. Forgot email? This option is typically located right beneath the email or username input field on the login page. Click on Forgot Email to proceed. This will prompt PayPal to initiate a multi-step process to help you retrieve your account information. Next, PayPal may ask you to provide up to 3 email addresses you think you might have used for your account. Start by entering the first email you suspect might be associated with your account. If it doesn't yield the desired result, don't fret. You can try 2 more email addresses. This 3-attempt method increases the chances of successfully identifying the correct email without overwhelming you with too many attempts. Once you identify the correct email, PayPal will guide you through the process to reset your password, if necessary, and ensure you gain access to your account. This protects your account and keeps your information secure. Remember, patience and a bit of detective work with your email addresses can save the day. It's critical to keep a record of the emails linked to your important accounts like PayPal. This makes retrieval much more straightforward, avoiding headaches in the future. In conclusion, finding your PayPal account login is a straightforward task when you follow these steps methodically. It empowers you to regain control of your financial transactions smoothly and confidently. Hopefully this tutorial has provided you with the clarity and guidance you needed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and insights. Happy transacting with PayPal.